This is a small beginning, and unless this becomes a movement at a global level, the planet cannot be saved.
So rather than saving the planet, let us save ourselves. And how is it possible? By changing our way of thinking, by changing our lifestyle, by changing our attitude.
It's about creating the right set of leaders and thought leaders and people who can take action to make sure that the earth is in a better shape than what we've seen.
Maybe our dreams are coming true. So the next workshop or the next time when we all meet, maybe we will see each other in a bigger position.
It is both an honor and a privilege to be here and representing RISE Foundation here, an organization which is committed to shaping India's future through education, health, environment, and sustainability.
What I would take from here is basically inspiration.
I mean, it's amazing and really cool to work and discuss with all these people who share the same passion about earth science and
hope that we can achieve things in the future.
After I met Valish, that in the coming few years, Prayoga will come to be the national and international and even international center of earth science education. So there are wonderful plans and